Dear students, welcome to our virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 5th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let us begin the class. Cut.
Dear students, we are opening a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Problems on Measurement. Measurement is a very essential and integral part of our daily life. Sometimes we have to measure length, sometimes we have to measure capacity in terms of liters and milliliters. Sometimes we have to measure mass in terms of gram, milligram, kilogram, etc. So measurement, even we studied about how to measure time, and in mathematics further on measurement we have to study about how the operations are carried out on this measurement. In that, the unit of measurement is very important as far as length, mass, capacity, volume, etc. is concerned. We are having a measurement in terms of multiples of 10 normally, like 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, so 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter, where you are having 1000 and multiples of 10. But when we studied about time, we came to know that it is not in terms of hundreds and thousands and multiples of 10. In fact, it is in terms of 60, right? That is the difference of time measurement. That's why that chapter was dealt separately. So my dear students, in our day-to-day life we have to come across various such situations. This chapter is on such problems in the sense that I don't love the term problems on measurement, situations of measurement I would say. हम अपने हर दिन में जो फेस करते हैं वो सिचुएशन मैथमेटिकली हम सॉल्व करते हैं, तो उसको इट इज़ नॉट प्रॉब्लम्स, दे आर ऑल सिचुएशंस ऑन मेजरमेंट. सो डायरेक्टली इट विल बी सम सिचुएशंस गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. आई विल बी कॉपीइंग ऑन टू द स्क्रीन एंड एक्सप्लेनिंग यू व्हाट टू डू इन दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशंस. Okay, problems are something which is unexpected and happens suddenly. These are expected and happens frequently. Okay, just joking. Let me get into your textbook to know that. See, textbook I always consider as mother book, I would say. Why? Because that is a framework, that is a syllabus, that is a thing fundamentally you should know, on which is done with a lot of research. And it all depends upon how you take it and how teachers like me deliver it. Anyway, without wasting time, let me get into the topic. So as I told you, the different situations in the textbook given will be used for explaining all these things to you. As I told you, we use the units meter, gram and liter every day to measure length, mass and capacity respectively. And while shopping we use the units rupees and paise, which is related to money. There also measurement comes. We use units like days, hours, minutes to measure time, which I already told you. Let us use some how to carry out the basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using these units of measurement. That is the purview of the chapter. I mean the purpose of the chapter, objective of the chapter. In that case, the best way is giving you situations for that. So one of the situation given is it is simply like if you have to add 37 kilometer 250 meter with 15 kilometer and 950 meter, how to carry out the addition. The most important thing is that the unit in that are understood. The unit is very important. Here it is given kilometer, here it is given meter, here it is kilometer and meter. So we have already studied that when we are doing this kind of situation, the unit has to be checked first, and if it can be brought to same unit, it is well and good. Otherwise, addition and subtraction should be done between same units. In that case, I will just use the concept of decimal. In fact, we have to use, but as a student of what we say is 5th standard, we can have a what is called sequential arrangement for doing it. That means we will consider kilometer as kilometer and meter as meter and go ahead. That means I will write simply, one second, something is troubling here, and I will simply write as 37 kilometer here under kilometer, correct, and meter is given as 250 meter. So if I write, I should understand it is 37 kilometer and 250 meter. We have to add, I will put addition symbol, and then I will say 15 kilometer as given in the textbook, I mean in the question, 950 meter. We will write one below the other and simply add. During the addition we will keep in mind that we will simply add meter to meter, kilometer to kilometer. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, carry 1, and you are having a total of 9 plus 2 plus 1, 11, 1200. Okay, and here you are having 37 plus 15, and as it is 12 over here, we know that 1200 means it is more than 1 kilometer, and it is equal to what we say 1 kilometer 200 meter. That we will consider later. Instead we will add this and we simply write it as 37 plus 15, which is equal to 50. So we are having 52 kilometer and 1200 meter. This is not correct answering. Why? Because 1200 meter is equal to 1200 meter can be written as 1 kilometer and 200 meter. That means we should add one more kilometer to this. That means the total becomes 53 kilometer and 200 meter. This is one way of presenting it in the most safe way, I would say. Understood? The other method is, now you know that carrying this 1 over here, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12, you can carry that 1 over here, then you will not write this 1 over here. That is the next level of expertism which you can do. This way is perfectly safe. This way you won't write this, instead you will write it over here, just like how we do in addition, without considering is there any decimal, is there any meter or centimeter. If the addition was like 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12, 2 इधर डाल दिया, 1 plus 5, 6 plus 7, 53 आ जाएगा. But again you have to split here as this part is 53 kilometer and 12. This is your expert level you will do. But basically you will add, putting a line over here, meter separately, kilometer separately. If anything beyond 1000 will be 1 kilometer. So we got 950 plus 250, which is equal to 1200. We will split it into kilometer and meter and add it with the kilometer meter separately. What actually I did was I added 52 plus 1 here as far as kilometer is concerned, and I just added put this 200 meter here because it is, I know that 1000 I removed from that. Understood? This is the mechanism. Your textbook is having a table and showing that in the next level that you can understand from there directly. Now another question is about 7 liter. It is 7 liter. Sorry, 7 liter and 2 liter it is. Okay, so it is 7 liter and 150 ml to be added with 2 liter and 500 ml. Not added, subtracted. So subtraction करना है आपको. Same situation, just like how it happens in our subtraction. Now the issue is that issue and expertism comes over here. We cannot subtract 500 ml from 150 ml. So we can take 1 liter from here. Naturally this becomes 6 liter. And this become 1000 add किया तो 1150 milliliter. Now the subtraction happens to be from 1150 ml we have to subtract 500 ml. From 6 liter we have to subtract 2 liter. Correct? So when we subtract 1000, considering these are two different action, 1150 ml minus subtract 500 ml. We will do the subtraction as usual. Now this 150 is not there. So how the subtraction would be? 0 minus 0 0 and 5 minus 0 is equal to 5 and 1 minus 5 again not possible. So naturally we will 11 minus 5, which is already there, taken from there. So it will become 650. Anyway, we know that from 1150 if we subtract 500 we will get 650, or 1150 ml subtract minus 500 ml is 650 ml. So we got a 650 ml as on ml side. And from 6 liter I will subtract 2 liter and it will become 4 liter. This happens to be the answer. So subtracting them separately, carrying 1 liter this side, it's a part of our borrowing mechanism. Basically these things you have studied in your class 4. This was a revision, but this is very important. In mathematics and in measurement and in operations, slow and steady wins the race. Speed comes automatically, just like how we do cycling and swimming. You cannot do that quickly. So I do go slowly because I am with you. Okay, chalo. Next we will go ahead to know that what more we should understand in this chapter. It's again sum is given by me and using your textbook. Why? Because your chapter is problems on measurement or situations. If a shopkeeper has 150 kg 500 gram of rice and sells 75 kg 750 gram out of it, how much rice will be left? A very common situation. So I am not going to write all those statements and all, but I will tell you the way of doing. As I told you, kilogram and gram, which is a very common situation in our life, and it is 150 kilogram and 500 gram. Shopkeeper is having that much rice and he sold 75 kilogram and 750 gram out of it, and the question is what is left. तो ये आपको मालूम है subtraction तो करना ही है, and these are separate units, so we will do it separately. That is our learning now. But again 500 gram is not is less than 750. Naturally we will reduce one from here and we'll put it as 149 kilogram इधर. Here in fact 1500 gram हो गया, and the balance will become 750 gram. I am doing it fast because it is easy for you now. You know the fundamental. Now for 149 minus 75 will be 74, and this is kilogram and this is gram. That is what is asked and that is what is answer. This much of rice is left in the shop. Okay, my dear students, so it becomes comparatively easy, and this is a situation. At a speed of 90 km per hour, what distance will a train cover in 2.5 hours? This is also another situation if you are traveling. So naturally it is given that the speed of the train is given. Speed, sums are having little peculiarity that you will learn in higher classes. Speed is equal to 90 km per hour. मतलब 1 घंटे में 90 किलोमीटर जाएगा. What distance will train cover in 2.5 hours? 2.5 hours. Mental calculation की बात है, पहले वही करेंगे because another example will help you to do it mathematically. So if it is 2 hours, we know that 2 times of this will come. Correct? 2 into 90 kilometers will go in 2 hours. So this is the speed. Distance in 2 hours, if I am writing distance in 2 hours, distance in the distance traveled I mean. So 2 into 90, 180 kilometer to जाएगा. Then there is a half an hour. So distance traveled in half an hour. Correct? तो how much it will be? 90 upon 2, which is equal to 45. I'm telling the common man method. So ultimately 180 total distance traveled will be 180 kilometer plus 45 kilometer, because all these are in same unit, 225 kilometer. This is the distance traveled, that is what is asked. On the other hand, 1 hour 90, second hour another 90, in half an hour 45. If you simply add this, you will get 225 kilometer. All these are in kilometers. A common man's no need of studying in 5th standard. Simple addition does solve the situation. But the situation will come a little more complicated if such sums are there in the textbook. I will explain to you, because maths learning is concentric. मतलब एक पहले एक डॉट डालेंगे, उसके ऊपर एक सर्कल, तो उतना ही पढ़ेंगे. फिर सेकंड सर्कल डालेगा, थर्ड सर्कल डालेगा. जब कॉन्सेंट्रिक मतलब फ्रॉम सेंटर टू द आउटर इट इज गोइंग, तो आपको फिफ्थ में क्या चाहिए उतना ही बताना है. अदरवाइज ओहो ये बहुत टफ होने वाला है, तो मैथ्स इज वेरी टफ, ऐसा हो जाएगा. हमारे साथ सब हुआ है, इसलिए बहुत प्यार से आपको बता रहे, जितना है उतना. दैट मीन्स यू विल बी इक्विप्ड विद. ऐसे बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं वैसे मैथ्स को बिल्ड करना है. यू कैन नॉट मेक द रूफ ऑफ द बिल्डिंग फर्स्ट, यू विल मेक द बेस फर्स्ट. एंड उसके लिए पहले डाउन हम लोग जाते हैं, नीचे खोदने के बाद शुरू होते हैं ना. सो ऐसे हम पहले फंडामेंटल में ही बैठते हैं. फंडामेंटल इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे कि यू वॉन्ट क्रिएट एन इशू. दिस काइंड ऑफ सम्स आर आस्क्ड इन हायर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स फॉर गेटिंग जॉब, यू नो. आपको आपके पेरेंट्स बताएंगे. ओके चलो और एग्जाम्पल ले लेता हूँ, क्योंकि I can just, if one dress requires 3 meter 25 centimeter cloth, how much do 4 dresses need? अच्छा है. ड्रेस तो आजकल कोई सिलाता नहीं है, सब रेडीमेड मिलता है ना. चलो रेडीमेड क्लॉथ बनाने वाले की एक सिचुएशन है. If one dress requires 3 meter 25 centimeter cloth, how much do 4 dresses need? ये भी एक लेमन क्वेश्चन है. लेमन मतलब आपके आजू बाजू में जो टेलर है या कोई शॉप वाला है, उनका सिचुएशन है. आप तो 4 ड्रेस एक साथ बनाएगा क्या मुझे मालूम नहीं, आपके पेरेंट्स, बट दिस इज अ सिचुएशन. सो मैं क्या करूँगा इस सिचुएशन में? आई विल सिंपली से 3 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर. इसको मैं 4 बार ऐड करेंगे. 3 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर, 3 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर, 3 मीटर. अभी हम लाइव क्लास में तो कोई पीछे बेंच से बोलेंगे, सर क्यों 4 बार ऐड कर रहे हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करो ना. तो मैं बोला ये 25 देके मुझे बहुत खुश हो गया. 4 25 इज इक्वल टू 1. आई नो दैट. 100 सेंटीमीटर 1 मीटर, यू नो दैट नो. 100 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर. तो 4 इंटू 25 इज इक्वल टू 100. तो इसका मतलब ये 1 मीटर हो गया ये टोटल. करेक्ट. यार 100 सेंटीमीटर मिलेगा ना आपको, और ये 4 टाइम 3 लिए तो 12 मिल जाएगा. ये 12 मीटर और 100 सेंटीमीटर टोटल हो गया, तो 13 मीटर हो गया. क्लॉथ ले लेंगे, 4 ड्रेस बनाएंगे. लेकिन वो स्टूडेंट जो बैठा है उनका पॉइंट करेक्ट है. 3 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर है. आप उसको कितना क्लॉथ बनाना है? 4 क्लॉथ है ना, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो सर. लेकिन लाइन में रख के करना पड़ेगा. 4 इंटू 25 करके उसको वी हैव टू राइट. नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लीकेशन में 325 को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो बीच में 100 नहीं दिखेगा आपको. फिर जब 3 पॉइंट डालेगा तो भी 100 नहीं दिखेगा. एज द यूनिट्स आर डिफरेंट, यू हैव टू ट्रीट इट सेपरेटली. तो ये भी ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है. अगर इफ यू कैन ट्रीट दम सेपरेटली, 425 आर 100, 4 3s आर 12, फिर आप इसको कुछ, ये 12,100 नहीं है ना इसका आंसर. Are you getting my point? So this multiplication is not applicable. If anybody does that, 4 5s are 20, 2 4 2s are 8, 2 plus, sorry, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 4 3s are 12 plus 1. ये क्या है? Are you getting the difference? अगर ये हमारे आदत है, this is what we do, common error, ये नहीं चलेगा. तो इसलिए यूनिट वाइज मेजरमेंट अपना हेडिंग में दिया जाए. सिचुएशन विथ मेजरमेंट. प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन मेजरमेंट, ये बोलना चाहते मेजरमेंट की ऑपरेशन में आपको प्रॉब्लम होएगा, ऐसा तो नहीं. Anyway, I will leave it to you. The thing is that 25 centimeter 4 times लिया बोले तो 100 centimeter हो गया, 1 meter हो गया. This is that situation of doing problems with connected with measurement. A situation dealing with measurement, I would say. So please deal this very effectively. ये time के केस में भी ऐसा है, बहुत और complicated है times, I would say. According to me, operation related to time is more complicated than all this. Okay, so you will write it is 13 meter, here also the same situation, 12 meter 100 centimeter, and you will write 13 meter, right? Okay, this way we will be dealing the situation. Okay, my dear students, 1 second. Here is another situation. Luckily I would say that different type of situations are, that's why they are all examples for you. Examples are made as examples. आपके क्लास में से एक एग्जाम्पल चाहिए अच्छा स्टूडेंट का, एग्जाम्पल फॉर ए गुड स्टूडेंट. तो क्या करेंगे? वी विल नॉट गो फॉर ए गुड लुकिंग स्टूडेंट और गुड हाइट स्टूडेंट और गुड बिहेव्ड स्टूडेंट, बट विल take all into consideration every aspect of a student, every aspect, and mainly about learning aspect. उसमें भी we will add that good in learning, good in studying, as well as good in behaving, good in everything. तो example हो गया. So examples are good in everything. If a wire that is 9 meter 50 centimeter long is cut into pieces of 5 centimeter, oh, how many pieces will be made? देखा measurement की situation. If a wire is that of 9 meter 50 centimeter, good, 9 meter 50 centimeter, क्या हो गया मेरा? 9 meter 50 centimeter. We have to cut it into pieces. Cut करने की बात हो गई. Whenever the question is what is left, immediately subtraction याद आ गया. Correct? Whenever it is total, addition की याद आ गया. Sorry, addition की याद. Whenever it is times, how many times, how much, आपको multiplication की याद आएगा. ब्रेक करना है, कट करना है, तो आपको डिवीजन का याद आना है. जब ये पढ़ा रहा था क्लास 3 में, टीचर आपके अंदर एक पॉइंट को इंस्टॉल, यू आर ब्रेकिंग इनटू पीसेस, you are dividing, so you should know how many 5 centimeter are there in 9 meter and 50 centimeter. You have studied division very beautifully. You know to divide numbers very simply, and you are only bothered about which number to be divided with which number. But here, as it is, we are in measurement and having unit, we have to convert the whole thing into a single unit. Most commonly at your level, the single simple unit will be the lowest unit. Meter or centimeter में lower unit is, smaller unit is centimeter. तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसको पूरा सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 50 centimeter is given as centimeter, तो उसको कुछ करना है. 9 meter is equal to 9 into 100, which is equal to 900 centimeter. तो हमारे पास क्या है? 900 centimeter भी है और एक 50 centimeter भी है. That means we are having 950 centimeter in total. क्या है? ये वायर है. 5 centimeter के पीसेस बनाना है, कुछ बांधने के लिए होगा. ये मत सोचो कि इलेक्ट्रिक वायर 5 सेंटीमीटर का कट करके वो वेस्ट करते, ऐसा नहीं. कुछ कुछ चीज बांधने के लिए हमको वायर चाहिए. आपके घर में कुछ चीज आते हैं तो आपको मतलब उसको बांध के टाइट करके आए तो छोटा वायर रहता है 5 सेंटीमीटर. ऐसा पीसेस कट करना है. तो 9 मीटर 50 सेंटीमीटर एक लॉन्ग है, तो कितना पीस होता है? सो दैट वी विल कम टू नो दैट हाउ मेनी थिंग्स कैन बी टाइड विथ दैट. So we have to divide 950 with 5. The matter is over. अगर आप ये यूनिट का कन्वर्शन ऐसे सोच समझ के नहीं किया, so the answer can go wrong. So that is the learning. That is the learning. Now what you will do? You will simply 950 divided by 5, 1 5s are 5, and 4 is balance, 5 is there, and 9 5s are 45, 0 comes down, and it is equal to, when 0 comes down, you know that you will put a 0 or 5 into 0 is equal to 0, and the matter is over. So you will be having 190 pieces. इसमें आपको क्या नया है? This you know. This full action you know, you understand. What is new over here is this, because you are in measurement chapter. और किधर पढ़ेंगे? चलो, I am closing this action. Okay, one more is there that can be explained. A play started at 30 minutes. Oh, good. Time तो चाहिए. Time के बारे में कर measurement में नहीं आए तो actually you have studied about this, but मेजरमेंट सिचुएशन में टाइम तो हमेशा आता है, सबसे ज्यादा आता है. आपको नहीं आते तो योर पेरेंट्स विल बी इन नीड ऑफ दिस. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑलवेज कैचिंग ट्रेन, रीचिंग इन द ऑफिस, रीचिंग इन द व्हाट इज कॉल्ड प्लेस व्हाट इज प्रॉमिस्ड. किसी को मिलने को बोले तो भी टाइम की बात है ना. चलो, ए प्ले स्टार्टेड एट 30 minutes आफ्टर 6 in the evening and finished 2 3/4 hours later. प्ले स्टार्ट भी हो गया, फिनिश भी हो गया. Started 30 minutes past 6 in the evening. हर चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है. 6 hours 30 minutes in the evening, मतलब 6:30 PM स्टार्ट होने दो. एंड फिनिश्ड स्टार्टर टाइम है. कभी फिनिश हो गया 2 3/4 hours. 2 तो फुल आवर यूज किया है. फिनिश दैट एट नहीं, आफ्टर, बाद में. आफ्टर वर्ड है ना, फिनिश्ड 2 हियर, लेटर वर्ड है, बाद में. 2 hours. सेकेंड पार्ट क्या है? 3/4 hours. 1 hour you know, half an hour you know, you write like this. Half of half an hour, quarter hour you write like this. 1 hour you know, half an hour you know, quarter you know. Here it is given 3/4, 3 times 1/4. 3/4 hour. मैं आपको कंसेप्चुअली क्लियर कर रहा हूं. मतलब अगर घड़ी निकाल के देखेगा तो क्या होगा? इधर 12 है, इधर 6 है, इधर 3 है, इधर 9 है. तो मिनट हैंडल इधर से घूम के इधर आ गया, 9 तक आ गया. 9 तक आ गया मतलब 9 into 5 45 मिनट्स हो गया, राइट ना. तो ये सब हमको मालूम है. 45 मिनट्स होता है. 3/4 hours को 3/4 बोलते हैं. 3 times quarter. Now the question is, what time did the play get over? कभी फिनिश हो गया. तो 6:30 PM को स्टार्ट हो गया, 6:30 को स्टार्ट हो गया. 2 hours हो गए तो 8 hours तो जरूर हो जाएंगे, उसमें हमको कुछ डाउट नहीं है. इफ आई एड बट 30 minutes एंड हियर एक 45 minutes भी आ गया, इसलिए मिनट्स तक पहुंचना है हमको, क्योंकि इट इज गिवन इन मिनट्स. वी कैन नॉट राइट क्वार्टर आवर, हाफ एन आवर. क्वेश्चन में इंटेंशनली आपको थोड़ा चेक करने के लिए, आप तो टाइम के बारे में पढ़ के आए हुए स्मार्ट बच्चे हैं, तो उनको याद है कि आज क्वार्टर आवर, 3/4, हाफ एन आवर बोले तो मिनट्स कितना है. हम तो स्मार्ट है, फिर भी हम दिखाता नहीं है. हम ऐसा कर रहे कि 3/4 बोलेगा तो क्वार्टर 15 मिनट, 3/4 45. फिर भी हम करके कभी कभी हम घड़ी ड्रॉ करके देखेंगे, बट वी विल डू राइट 45 मिनट्स. ठीक है, 45 मिनट्स प्लस एक 30 मिनट्स आगे है 6 आवर्स के बाद, तो टोटल 75 मिनट्स. ओह, ये तो अपना घड़ी के बाहर गया, क्योंकि वी नो दैट 60 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 1 आवर. तो फिर 75 मिनट्स क्या है? तो 75 से हमको एक 60 माइनस करके 50 मिनट्स उसमें वापस एक्स्ट्रा है. तो 75 मिनट मीन्स 1 आवर 15 मिनट्स. हो, ये भी हमको और एक 1 आवर मिल गया. तो हमारा आंसर 8 hours 75 minutes नहीं लिखेंगे हम तो सीख लिया। अभी ऐसा सिचुएशन में 8 आवर्स के साथ हम प्लस 1 आवर करेंगे तो वो 9 आवर हो गया। ये 75 मिनट से 60 इधर गया ना, दिस बिकेम 60 प्लस 15, ये 60 हमने इधर दे दिया तो हमारे पास वी आर हैविंग 15 मिनट्स लेफ्ट। वो तो आवर में नहीं लिखेंगे तो 9 आवर 15 मिनट्स। You can simply declare it as 9 hours 15 minutes or quarter past 9 as your answer. I just want to tell you something very important when I talk about this time. The importance is that whenever we deal with length, mass and capacity, we can write it in decimal form. Decimal form is always possible when we are having a decimal form is possible when we are having multiples of 10. The z is having a meaning of 10. That is why we can use decimal format in the case of length, mass and capacity. But when it comes to measurement of time, such decimal points are not possible. So it is a little more difficult to carry out addition, subtraction of those quantities. This is a note for you. Why? Because it is very important that you cannot write for example, if it is given in a question that we just now I told you one thing, what I told, the answer can be written as quarter past 9 in literature, or it can be written as 9 hours 15 minutes in the evening. Okay. If I convert this into another format, you don't get confused, because this is a statement from your textbook, not created by, and it is very clear. Your textbook is really good. That's why that note is given in the textbook. Your textbook, you should go very thoroughly line by line. If you try to convert time into decimal, it's a complicated thing. Why? Because you don't keep in mind, simply say that this is 9.25 hours. Cannot understand, no? So no need of understanding. Okay, 9.5 hours doesn't have any concept of this is 9.5 hours, but it is not 50 minutes. But when we write 9.5 kg, it is 9 kg and 500 gram. So it exactly is an extension of that 50. It is applicable in liter, it is applicable in what we say length, but not in time. That is why such an important note is given at the end of the chapter. Now what, my dear students, what you have to do, as I always say, I was explaining you the examples which normally we think that not required. Normally we means we, the teachers, but actually the examples are to be explained. Why? Because examples are examples, as I told you before, and the exercise is given not only in mathematics textbook, in any textbook, or outside the textbook. Either outside in the PT period you will be doing physical exercise. तो अगर सर खड़े होके बहुत अच्छा एक्सरसाइज किया, आपको कुछ फायदा नहीं है. You have to do the exercise. So you do the exercise. I will never do the exercise for you. Me doing exercise is of no use. Okay, if there is a particular question which is troubling you a lot, taking a lot of time and cracking your brain and not getting the answer, so that is the question for you. क्यों? If everything made easy for you and you are able to do the answer, सब कुछ आंसर आता है, तो आपको ब्रेन को कुछ काम ही नहीं है. It will become small, it will become weak, it will always expect that मेरा कैपेसिटी का आएगा तो करेगा, नहीं तो मैं छोड़ दूंगा. And it happens. It should not happen. मेरा कैपेसिटी का ऊपर का मैं कर लूँगा कैसे भी. टाइम जाने दो, मेहनत होने दो, बट आई विल डू. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर इन 5th स्टैंडर्ड. इसलिए मैं इससे इतना ज़्यादा बात करते हैं क्योंकि आपको स्ट्रांग बनने के लिए, आपको अपना प्रॉब्लम अपने आप सॉल्व करने को आने के लिए, मैथमेटिक्स रियली टीच यू ए लाइफ स्किल. आप 9th में पहुंचेंगे ना, 9th में मैथमेटिक्स दो टेक्स्ट बुक हो जाता है, और दोनों टेक्स्ट बुक के इंट्रोडक्शन में लिखा है कि मैथमेटिक्स आपको लाइफ स्किल सिखाता है. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने को सिखाता है, प्रॉब्लम से न डरने को सिखाता है, लॉजिकली सॉल्व करने को सिखाता है और कैलकुलेट करके मूव करने को सिखाते हैं। बहुत कुछ है। एनीवे, टेक इंटरेस्ट टू लर्न मोर, टेक इंटरेस्ट टू सॉल्व द सम्स योरसेल्फ एंड बी हैप्पी विद दैट। आपको ही खुशी मिलना है, फिर आपके माँ बाप को मिलेंगे, फिर टीचर को मिलेंगे, अरे अपना बच्चा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते अपने आप। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.